Okay guys, today I'm talking about how to upload your image to Firestore database. I mean, just pick some random image from your gallery and upload it to your Firebase that you can use your project elsewhere. Okay. So first of all, here is my project. I have nothing yet, just connected my Flutter, which is I shown you in my previous video. See, and I am using getX state management. So here you can see I have you import the package get, and for this project you just need Firebase Storage package. Okay, and Cloud Firestore not needed in this video actually, but you just need Firebase Storage and Firebase code for this project, and I am using getX. So for you, if you want to use getX, just use this package get. Okay. So homepage, in the main app, just call the homepage, and there it's a homepage is this app bar, which is app bar, and Sophia, and the column is empty, so nothing is shown. So first of all, we want to show you in image in this project. Suppose first of all, make an elevated button, text, U, edge. Oh, sorry, remove the cost. It's annoying sometimes. Okay. So make this elevated button center. Okay. So our button is done. So for basically use this button, we have to create a controller. So first of all, in the directory, which is controller dot file image picker controller. So for pick your image from gallery, you need a package which is evolves picker filter. Okay, okay. See here the get package. You can upload your image by this image picker package. Okay, image picker. I'm just copying this line. I don't need actually this image picker text. Okay, get. Okay, our package is done. So controller name is like plus image picker controller experience and KDEX controllers. So yeah, so it's automatically import the dot packages. So first of all, I have to initialize a value. So before initializing image value, just try our method first, like feature. I'll just call this package method is function is pick image. So in the future, I need some async and await. So async now. take a variable final image pic equal to await image picker. See, here's the image picker. So it is import the image picker package. Okay. So after the pick image, now the source. Source is image source. Sorry, image source. Now here is two times, camera or gallery. Camera means if you select camera, it after you click the button, it will open your camera and you click a picture, then the picture will collect to your apps. And from gallery means if it will import from your gallery. So you are using gallery today. If you want to use camera, you can try it. Okay, same method. Okay, gallery. So the final image pic is, it will collect from the gallery the image and store in this image pic variable. Okay, so if now now I have to condition make if image pic equal null, I mean some kind if it is null, so then return nothing. Let's wrap it with try and catch. First try this method. Okay, so I cut this line. So we are using try on this method. After try this package, if the base package is null, then return nothing. Then we're returning another variable. This image pic has to return a file path. So image temp, just a variable which is file data. Okay, it's need the data.io import package path. So what is our path? Our path is this gallery's image. So image pic dot path. So we collect the path, I mean directory, our imported image. So we have to pass this image temp value outside this function. So first we need another file, another string file. We'll show you why. So I'm using getx, so it is rx file like image equal to file the path. Path is null. Why it is null I will tell you, and obvious the observation value. So if it is changed or anything, we will change something in our app. So in our try, first of all, image pic is import image from gallery, then this value of the value path will go to this image temp. So we transfer image temp value in this image. So what is said, just image dot value. So basically the first of all image value is just a string with nothing. Okay, this is the value of this image. So we have to initialize rx value as a variable, then dot value, then equal to image temp. So we will collect image from gallery, then the path will be stored in another variable, and the variable will go to your image if we use this function with a button. Okay, now our try is done. So for this try, we have to use platform exception. If some kind of error, we will use catch return just if we have some error. So our image pick is done. So first we show you just show you pick your image and show you in gallery. So in elevated button we have to use another like container. Okay, so container is child has image. Okay, child, it will depends on something if. Okay, then let's create a controller. Final controller equal create dot put our image. What is your name of the class? Image speaker controller. So okay, so controller is not used. Okay, so child if will not use if. So if the image variable is null, image variable. So I'm going to image dot value. So image dot controller dot image dot value if it is null, then it will show an icon. Icons dot camera item. Otherwise it will show image dot file image file path is controller dot value and dot path, and we have to initialize another path is demo dot path. Okay, we don't even need this file image, just delete it. Okay, there this button. Okay, so basically first of all our image value is null, this empty string. So if this value empty string, then it will show in a camera, and if we import some image from gallery, value will be changed, and by this line it will transfer the value to this image and it will be changed, and it will change the state. So for change the state we have to wrap it with obx. So basically we start the app. Okay, so the image our value is our code is fine, because if this is equal to empty string, it will show in this camera, so it will working fine. Let's say 50. Okay, otherwise image file and the path. So let's use this pick image method in our elevated button. Controller dot pick image. Okay, let's run the app. Okay, app is okay. Let's pick image. Okay, some error I think. Let me find it. Oh, I am not stop and restart the app. after the image picker in package import, so that will work now fine. So it basically image from our gallery, I think, go download. Okay, let's select the picture. Okay, see, our picture is shown. So I want to create another button. I mean another button like is elevated button, and it takes upload to Firebase Storage. So when you click the image, it will upload in our Firebase Storage. So in the previous video, I show you how to connect. Now I will show you how to upload image in this Fire Storage. Okay, it is a project. Let's build the storage. Get started. Okay, in production mode, I will use it in testing mode. Actually, okay, in testing mode. Okay, if you want to use testing mode, is okay. For our now, let's create storage. Wait for it. Our storage creating done. We can upload file from here, also create a folder, but we will not doing anything in here, just everything we do in this project. Okay, so how it will work, let's go to your controller and then create another method that will upload our image in our Firebase store. Let's create another feature. So basically it will return a string, and what is the string? If we upload a picture in our Firebase storage, it will generate a link. So we will use this link everywhere in our project, so it will be easy to identify our image. So feature a string upload image to Firebase. So in the future we have to use saying. So for the saying, first, if you upload a picture, it will have to be some file name. So what is your file name? If you want your name, then after it is have an extension like JPG or PNG. So a string file name equal, I'm just using date and time, so the date and time is fine for me. Date time dot now. When you upload your picture, it will take this. I will use millisecond for this millisecond. Epoch dot to string that file name is so after the image, just then our work will be using in try catch. So first of all, try, and the try we use like a reference and okay, reference is fine. Okay, equal Firebase Storage. it will import our Firebase storage package dot instance dot ref. Okay, now the child, and this is the important path, just follow. So the path is actually, child path is actually in our project directory. So if you want to create a folder, then upload the picture in this folder, you have to write it like my picture. Okay, my picture. So it will create a my picture folder on the directory. Then /min in the folder, the file name. Our file name is in this file name. So copy it and call the variable with $, and then file name. After file name, you have to use an extension, like I am using PNG. Okay. So our try reference is done. Now await reference dot put file. So actually, which file it will be upload? See, our image picker, it will pass the value to our image, and that will show in our image. So we will pass this image value in the file. So image value, because it's rx variable, so we have to use the dot value. Okay, now our picture selection is done for uploading. So now get the URL. After uploaded image, it will generate a URL. So how to get it? So for getting the URL is string download URL await reference dot get download. It's simple, just to get downloaded. So in the download URL will store in the download URL variable. Okay, now return download URL. It will just return it. If you want to print it, you can print it. We have to use, otherwise no need. Okay, our try is done. Let's catch exception if some return. So exception return is, so why this empty string? If it's written nothing, so the picture will not upload it. Just I have to use return for null septic. So okay, there's no problem. Okay, so our upload image is function is done. Now call the function in the elevated button. So controller dot upload image to Firebase. Let's restart the app and go to our package. You'll see we have nothing in our project yet. Just copy our project and just pick image like this one. Okay, upload to Firebase. Okay, let's reload our browser. See my picture, the time with millisecond, our picture is uploaded. So how to use your link or get your link? So just how to show your image after upload or getting here, just another image .network paste the controller dot download. So basically you need to for passing the download URL, just make it rx string network image equal image equal now dot obs because so now let's interview so just so we will use like network image dot hello equal download URL. So we pass the download URL in our network image. So basically, if you want to show this picture, just go image dot network controller dot network image dot value and see if it's work, because we don't need to repeat it. Okay, I think some is okay. To string, I think. So let's find. Okay, find the error. Basically, it will have to wrap it with OBX. So there is the OBX. Okay, just run the app. Restart the app. Okay, just upload a picture first. Upload the picture. Okay, our image is showing, and we have uploaded so many pictures, so it will have so many pictures. So we have 4 pictures. So if you want to use the string value every time you upload, you have to go for this like me, I mean this download URL, it will return the download URL. So you have to use here, you can transfer anywhere the URL and you can use URL. So this all for today, how to upload your image to your Firestore database. Thank you all.